Stop. If you are planning to buy a new laptop or an iPad Pro in 2026, you need to watch this video first. The leaks for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra have officially broken the internet, and what we're seeing isn't just a tablet, it's a total industry disruptor. Welcome back to TechVibe, your home for the most exclusive deep dives into the future of technology. Today, we are dissecting every confirmed leak and high-credibility rumor surrounding the beast that is the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Samsung is moving away from subtle updates and is aiming straight for the throat of the MacBook and the M-series iPad Pro. We're talking about a no-notch Tandem OLED display, a Grade 5 titanium chassis, and a processor that benchmarks higher than almost anything else on the market. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and see why the S12 Ultra might be the last computing device you ever need to buy, stay tuned until the very end. This is a game changer. To understand why the S12 Ultra is such a massive leap, we first have to look at the design. For years, users have been asking Samsung to get rid of that intrusive notch on the Ultra series. Well, the wait is finally over. Authentic leaks from the supply chain confirm that the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra will feature a completely notchless design. By utilizing under-display camera technology perfected in their foldable lineup, Samsung has managed to give us a 14.6-inch canvas of pure, uninterrupted screen. But it's not just about the look, it's about the build. Samsung is following the lead of the S24 Ultra and moving to a Grade 5 titanium frame. This makes the tablet significantly lighter than the previous generation while being exponentially more durable. For creators and professionals who are always on the move, this means a device that can survive the rigors of travel without weighing down your bag. Now, let's talk about the crown jewel of this device, the display. We aren't just getting another AMOLED panel. The S12 Ultra is rumored to debut the Tandem OLED technology on a massive scale. By stacking 2 layers of organic light-emitting diodes, Samsung is pushing the peak brightness to a staggering 2,800 nits. This isn't just a number, it means you can work on complex color grading projects or watch HDR content in direct sunlight without losing a single detail. The contrast ratios are hitting levels we've only seen in high-end reference monitors. Whether you're a digital artist in New York or a film editor in London, this screen is designed to be your primary workspace. And with a refreshed 144 Hz variable refresh rate, the fluidity of the interface is going to feel light years ahead of the standard 120 Hz panels we're used to. But a beautiful screen needs a brain to match, and this is where the S12 Ultra separates the boys from the men. Under the hood, we are looking at the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This is the 3-nanometer powerhouse that is specifically optimized for high-demand multitasking. Early benchmarks suggest that this chip doesn't just compete with Apple's M4 and M5 series. In multi-core tasks, it's actually pulling ahead. Samsung is pairing this with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and the brand new UFS 5.0 storage. This is overkill for a tablet, and that's exactly the point. This is a device built for neural decks. This is Samsung's next-generation desktop environment that uses on-device AI to manage your workflow. Imagine running a full video editing suite, 10 Chrome tabs, and a Zoom call simultaneously without a single frame drop. This isn't just a tablet anymore, it's a portable workstation that fits in your hand. Speaking of AI, Galaxy AI 3.0 is the secret sauce here. Samsung is moving beyond simple text translation. The S12 Ultra will feature live collaboration AI, allowing you to sketch an idea with the S Pen and have the AI generate high-fidelity renders in real time. The new S Pen Pro 3 also gets a massive upgrade with advanced haptic feedback. It now mimics the physical sensation of different textures, so when you're drawing on that Tandem OLED, it actually feels like pencil on paper or oil on canvas. The latency has been slashed to a virtually non-existent 1.8 milliseconds. It is, quite literally, as fast as your own thoughts. For the power users who are worried about battery life, Samsung has an answer for that too. We are looking at a 12,000 mAh battery pack. Combined with the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, we're expecting a true all-day battery life, even with heavy 5G usage and high brightness. And when you do run low, the 65W fast charging, an upgrade from the long-standing 45W, will get you from 0 to 80% in record time. This is critical for the premium audience in the US and Europe who don't have time to be tethered to a wall outlet. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: price and availability. Quality like this doesn't come cheap. Based on current market trends and the inclusion of titanium and Tandem OLED, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to start at $1,299 for the 256GB model, with the 1TB per 24GB RAM monster potentially hitting the $1,799 mark. We are looking at an official announcement in late summer, likely at the August Unpacked event, with units hitting shelves shortly after. It's a premium price for a premium experience, but when you consider that this replaces both a tablet and a high-end laptop, the value proposition starts to make a lot of sense. Samsung has clearly listened to the feedback. They've removed the notch, upgraded the materials, doubled down on performance, and integrated AI in a way that actually matters for productivity. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just an incremental update, it's the culmination of everything Samsung has learned over the last decade. It's the ultimate expression of what a mobile computing device can be. If you've been waiting for a reason to switch from the Apple ecosystem, or if you're looking to upgrade your aging Tab S8 or S9, this is the sign you've been looking for. The king of Android tablets is about to reclaim its throne, and the competition should be very, very worried. Thank you for tuning into TechVibe for this exclusive look at the future. We want to hear from you. Is the no-notch design enough to make you switch? Or does the price point feel a bit too steep for a tablet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one of them. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to TechVibe with notifications turned on. We've got a lot more exclusive leaks and comparisons coming your way, and you won't want to miss a single one. Keep your vibe tech focused, and we will see you in the next one.